In today's video, I'll teach you how to log out from ReelShort. First of all, what you have to do is launch open ReelShort application. You can see over here, ReelShort application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Unfortunately, this interface cannot be recorded. So if you want to log out of your account, it is actually very simple. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, after you do that, you'll be led to the profile interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find the options like earn rewards, my list, invitation code, etc. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for setting. Tap on it. Now, after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. Over here, you can see the options for terms of service, privacy policy, clear cache, rate us, etc. At bottom, you'll be able to find the option for sign out. Tap on it. Now, this kind of confirmation message will pop up. Simply tap on this option, OK. Now wait for a while. Now after you do that, you'll be signed out of your account. So that is how you log out from ReelShort. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.